Durlabha manava janma lobhya samsare Durlabha manava janma lobhya samsare Durlabha manava janma lobhya samsare Krishna na bhajinu dukkha kahibo kahare Krishna na bhajinu dukkha kahibo kahare Krishna na bhajinu dukkha kahibo kahare Krishna bhajino dukkha kahibo kahare Durlabha manava janma lobhya samsare Durlabha manava janma lobhya samsare Before continuing, I'd like to read the translation. So, as we are singing this beautiful prayer, we can better appreciate the spirit of humility and devotion of Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Although the human form of life is the rarest opportunity for attaining spiritual perfection, I am now lamenting bitterly. This is because somehow or other I have been born with such an opportunity, but have simply wasted it, never worshipping Lord Krishna. Oh, to whom shall I tell the tale of my misery? Having married and entered into the entanglements of materialistic family life, I passed my time in vain. I never got any tangible gain or permanent benefit, but only trouble and botheration. What kind of world is this? It seems to be just like a magic lantern show, wherein so many shadows and optical illusions dance magically before my eyes. I feel great attachment and identification with such a world, and thus day after day passes without any purpose whatsoever. When this body drops dead on the ground, what will then remain mine? At that moment, all of my sons and dearest loved ones will not be able to give me any happiness. I work hard, just like an ass every day, and now I am wondering, for whom am I working so hard? I am still surrounded by so many illusions. I waste every day in useless, insignificant work, and I waste every night controlled by sleep. And in every 24 hours, I never consider that cruel death is always sitting right in front of me. I imagine that I live a very carefree lifestyle, sometimes eating a lot, or eating a little, if I feel like it. Sometimes I see nice things around the town, or sometimes I do not go out at all. Sometimes I wear opulent clothing, or if I'm in the mood, I'll wear something simple. I live so carefree that I never consider that one day I will have to give up this body. But in actuality, my poor heart is plagued by constant anxieties regarding the maintenance of my body, my house, my wife, my family members, and my social obligations. All these anxieties are pinching me sharply and truly destroying my intelligence. Alas, alas, what a remorseful situation has arisen. I am engrossed with all this trouble, but I never consider that all these things are temporary and subject to perish very soon. After I'm dead and gone, what will remain of all my material opulences? When my body is thrown into the pit at the cremation grounds, it will simply lie there motionless. Then many crows, vultures, ants, and worms will come and playfully sport there. All the stray dogs and jackals will become very much delighted, and in great ecstasy they will make a festival ground out of my body and have a huge feast. Just see, such is the ultimate destination of this material body, and the most amazing thing is that all material opulences, my house, family, friends, have exactly the same destination. Therefore, I advise those who have keen intelligence, please give up all these temporary illusions presented by Maya and search after the means to get pure devotion to Lord Krishna, for this is the only eternal truth. Although the human form of life is the rarest opportunity for attaining spiritual perfection, I am now lamenting bitterly. This is because somehow or other I have been born with such an opportunity, but have simply wasted it by never worshipping Lord Krishna. Oh, to whom shall I tell the tale of my misery? Durlabha manava janma Lobhya samsare Durlabha manava janma Lobhya samsare Krishna na bhajinu dukha kahibo kahare 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 Durlabha manava janma Lobhya samsare Samsara samsara kore miche gelo kha Samsara 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 kore miche gelokha. Samsara samsara kore miche gelokha. Lava na khoilo kichu Gatilo janja. Dulabha manava janma Lobhiya samsare. Kishera samsara Shayabaji prai. Ihate mamata kori Brita dina jai. Ihate mamata kori Brita dina jai. Dulabha manava janma Lobhiya samsare. He deho patana hole kirobiyama. He deho patana hole kirobiyama. Keho sukana hitibe Putra parivar. Keho sukana hitibe Putra parivar. Dulabha manava janma Lobhiya samsare. Garda bera matha ami khori parisram. Khara lagiye to khori naguchilo brahm. Dulabha manava dhamma Lobhiya samsare. Dulabha manava janma Lobhiya samsare. Dina jaya micha khaje nisha nidra base. Dina jaya micha khaje nahi bhavi marana nikate ache bose. Durlabha manava janma lobhiya samsare. Durlabha manava janma lobhiya samsare. Balo manda khai heri hari chintahina. Nahi bhaviete ho shadi bokondina. Nahi bhaviete ho shadi bokondina. Durlabha manava janma lobhiya samsare. Durlabha manava janma lobhiya samsare. Deho geho kalatradi chinta vira. Deho geho kalatradi chinta vira. Deho geho kalatradi chinta vira. Jagi cheri doye mora buddhi koriha. Durlabha manava janma lobhiya samsare. Hai hai nahi bhavi anitya esava. Hai hai nahi bhavi anitya esava. Hai hai nahi bhavi anitya esava. Jivana vigate kota rohi devai ba. Jivana vigate kota rohi devai ba. Durlabha manava janma lobhiya samsare durlabha manava janma lobhiya samsare Smasane sarira mama podiya rohibe Smasane sarira mama podiya rohibe Bihanga patanga thai bihara koribe Bihanga patanga thai bihara koribe Durlabha manava janma lobhiya samsare Kukura srigalla sabha anandita hoye Kukura srigalla sabha anandita hoye Mahotsava koribe amara deho loye Durlabha manava janma lobhiya samsare Je dehera e gati tharanuka Samsara vaibhava bandhu jana jaha Durlabha manava janma lobhiya samsare Durlabha manava janma lobhiya samsare Atheva maya moha shadi buddhiman विद्याधि बुद्धिमान नित्यतत्व कृष्ण भक्ति करुणा संधान दुर्लभ मानव जन्म लोभिया संसारे दुर्लभ मानव जन्म लोभिया संसारे कृष्ण न भजिनु दुखा कहिलो खारे कृष्ण न भजिनु दुखा कहिलो खारे दुर्लभ मानव जन्म लोभिया संसारे दुर्लभ मानव जन्म लोभिया संसारे संसार संसार हो रे मिछे गेलो खा संसार संसार करे मिछे गेलो खा लाभान खाइलो किछु गतिलो जंजाल दुर्लभ मानव जन्म लोभिया संसारे दुर्लभ मानव जन्म लोभिया संसारे